Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Derek's White Envelope Breaker. Look, we got Dio there from The Rise of Skywalker, and we have a Star Wars Galaxy TTM. So let's see what this is all about. Hope everybody is doing well. It is Friday, October 28th, the last Friday before Halloween 2022, and I hope that everybody is having a good day. So here we go. Okay, we got that. And we have a sketch or a base card from Series 2, John Paul Lona autograph with a silver paint pen. Love it. Weequay in the aftermath there. John Paul Lona. And look, there's the JPL, John Paul Lona 93 signature that he put on there. The twin sons, Tatooine Son 1 and Son 2. Very cool. Thanks for the autograph, John Paul. I really appreciate that. That is really nice. This is from Series 2 that came out in 1994. Artwork was done the previous year in 1993. Star Wars Galaxy Series 2. All right, here. Oh, he signed the back, too. Very cool. Very cool. And Kelly Lona, his wife. He had his wife sign it. She's the one that did the artwork of him, John Paul Lona, and his wife Kelly Lona. So I got two autographs on one card. Very cool. This is Galaxy Card 245, New Visions 2, it says. An unguarded moment from Return of the Jedi, the aftermath of the sail barge battle on Tatooine. Born and raised in upstate New York, John Paul Lona got his professional start illustrating in the gaming industry for West End Games' Star Wars line. He has since done work for other gaming companies, including GDW, TSR, and FASA. In his spare time, of which there is little, he tries to get his son Zach to say Batman. This being his first trading card, Lona would like to dedicate it to his father, a card collector. Hi, Pop. Art, Kelly Ann Lona. She's the one that did the art of John Paul Lona, Kelly Lona, which she signed. Thank you, guys. This is really cool. I really appreciate it whenever both sides are signed and with the silver paint pen so that you can see it. Really appreciate that. John Paul Lona and Kelly Lona. Very, very cool. Really like this card. With an unguarded moment with Weequay. I think it's very, very neat. Of course, it's the Foil Galaxy. Please enjoy Star Wars Galaxy Series 2. All right, wanted to show you another TTM as I keep on racking them up, and this is super fun, and I love these cards. Love the artwork, love the detail. The destroyed sail barge, Hulk in the back. Very, very cool. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe as we move towards Halloween, and I hope that everybody has a great weekend. Okay, thanks, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.